Hello, I'm here just to give you a little bit of extra help with decimal and fraction conversions. You had a little bit of trouble on the quiz, which is totally fine, but we are just going to go over it really quick so that you fully understand it. So I'm going to share my screen with you, and let's look at this one right here. If we want to put this into a decimal, we have to have our bottom, our denominator, over 10, 100, or 1,000. In order to do that, so I want to get that over 10. In order to get 5 to 10, what do I need to do? I'm doing times 2. And if I'm doing times 2 on there, on the bottom, I also have to do times 2 on the top. 4 times 2 is 8. So now my new fraction that's ready to be put into a decimal is 8 over 10. 1 0, 1 space. Take this, plop it in, and I have 0.8. So if I go down here, that is one of the choices. Okay, so we're going to clear this. We're going to look at some of the other ones. Okay, so for this one, we did 0.3, which your error here was probably that you just took this top number and that you didn't convert your denominator. So we do want to make sure that we're converting our denominator. So how can we get 8 to 10, 100, or 1,000? Well, we can't really get 8 to 10. We know that, right? But what else could we get 8 to? Ooh, sorry, I had a little technical difficulty. Okay, so we can't get 8 to 10. We also can't get 8 evenly to 100. However, if I keep trying, I can get 8 to 1,000. Okay, so I would have to really figure out, well, what's 100 divided by 8? Does that go in equally? It doesn't. What's 1,000 divided by 8? Does that go in equally? It does. In order to get 8 to 1,000, I would have to multiply it by 125. And if I multiply the bottom by 125, I also have to multiply the top by 125. So 3 times 125, you would have to write that out and figure it out, but I'm just going to tell you, is 375. Now for this, I'm really sorry about my handwriting, but I'm doing it on a mouse pad. It's not great. 3 zeros, 3 spaces. Now my 375 is ready to get dropped down here, and my answer is 0.375. And if I scroll down a little bit, I'll be able to see that that is one of the choices. Okay, so I'd like you to give this assignment a try. I'm pretty sure that the error was not getting those denominators over 10, 100, or 1,000 before putting them into decimal form. So just give this another shot for me, resubmit your quiz, and I will check it, and I will write on your grade sheet and let you know. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great day.